have a confession to make.
I don't know how to vlog, but I would like to vlog.
I always want to have control of my life.
We're not really strangers. Dapat lang, no? Nanay mo ko eh.
Medyo malalim pong cards na to. Hayop tong mga cards na to.
Pumpkin!
Part of my life that works are those moments when I got deeply hurt. And I needed those moments. Hindi siya moment ha. Moments.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
With an S. What hurts is people tend to crucify me to my old self.
It's nice. Very nice.
Walang iyak ah.
Pandemic nung mas naging close na kami ni mom. Wow. Kasi it felt like kasi before nung high school, I felt very invincible. I had everything to myself, the friends, the people, the connection, ganon. Wow. Especially time. Malaking part yung naging difference sa akin is yung time. Yung how I handle my own time. Wow. Before, pag may nag-aya sa akin at 10 p.m. to go out, go G! Palaging ganon. I had everything on my hand. Wow. I felt the power. I loved the feeling of having the power of I can control whatever I want to do. Wow. Pero eventually, nung nag-pandemic, okay, lockdown and everything, there were tons of rules. Wow. Doon ko na naramdaman na, yes, I am not invincible. I am not in control yet of everything that is, na nagkakasakit rin yung tao. There are many complications that can happen.
Baka maiyak ako? Oh my gosh. Walang iyak ah. Hindi ako magmamalines that I am a perfect parent, that I am a good parent even, no? I am not, no? And maybe because of that, I worked on myself. I will keep on working myself to be better. Not just for myself, for people who have similar stories from me. Yun, sabi ko walang iiyak eh. Umiyak na ako.
Understanding you more.
Ay.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
You are the sunshine of my life.
Yeah.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Ano, may bagay ko ba na unaware ka na kahit lahat na masama? Alam mo naman lahat ang masama sa'yo.
Talo!
I feel you're a good partner to be with.
Bada bop boom pow.
You just don't see it because of the men and standard ng mga tao yun.
What are those standards?
Gagawa lang sa bahay, gano'n. Eh, you're not that. You're more than that kasi. That's the thing. Kaya you're more than...
Kalbo, pinasa kay Kalbo, tinira ni Kalbo, hawak ni Kalbo, binigay kay Kalbo. Kalbo, shoot ni Kalbo!
That meets the eye, basically.
Oh, wow! Nagkaroon kami ng talk ni MJ. Nakita ko na hinug siya nung girlfriend niya. Tapos I saw him how he comforts. And in my heart, talagang nag-ano yung heart ko. Sabi ko, oh, that's me. No, that's me.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
That's the biggest part of you na alam ko na akin. I know that heart, I know that presence. Alam ko rin yung stubbornness. Kasi ako rin yun eh. You and ate.
No, in this current moment.
In this current moment, you and ate ka rin.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.